Hi friends, today showing you the mini bag sealer and cutter. This is a 2-in-1 heat sealer and cutter. That is a mini food sealer for plastic bags, food storage, kitchen handheld heat sealer. So I'm going to unopen the box and show you the content, and this is available on Amazon and it's pretty handy and lightweight that I can feel it from the box. And in the box I have this sealer and a plastic bag. I think this is for maybe the testing at the trial, the sealer bag. So I think in a certain GSM of the plastic bag that you can seal with this, and we will test it later on. And you can see that it is a 3 volt, so it requires two AA batteries, and there is a cutter here. So this is a cutter that comes, a sharp cutter knife that you can use to cut any plastic bag or something. So and it goes inside, so it's safe once it's inside. And let me just open this. This is the holder, and let me just open this. So keep in mind you have to open the front one to the back and then take this for the battery. You have to include two AA batteries. I'm showing you the screenshot that you can use it how. And from here, this is the conductor, so you have to put the covering back. So here I'm putting now the batteries. So two AA batteries I'm putting inside it, and you have to just seal the cover back. And then once you put that back and the the top cover, you have to take this cover slide a little bit to the back position, so that you can do is the car sealing. So this is the protective cover right now. As you can see that is not coming, but then you have to take this cover a little bit to the back, the middle one. You can see it start heating and you can see the spark. So I'm just trying to put it on another bag. So this is a very light or the thin plastic bag. It's it's not of the same GSM as come with it, but I just want to hit and try first. It requires some practice, because what I feel is that if you overheat for some time or you keep it for some time, it can actually melt. So you have to be careful and do some practice with the different bags. But it's sealing, the cutter is working, and there's no problem with all those things. And 2 AA battery, overall it's nice and good and handy.